High quality audio is essential for effective collaboration.
We're using a Poly Studio video bar. While the built-in microphones capture audio clearly, there's no substitute to having additional microphones on the table that are closer to the participants.
Now let's turn on the Studio A2 microphones.
Now we have connected the Studio A2 audio solutions.
We're in a large meeting room that's about 25 feet long.
I'm currently seated all the way in the back of the room.
I'm seated near the middle of the table, about 15 feet from the front of the room.
I'm standing at the back of the room, the furthest away from the microphones. And these additional mics in the room are making it so our voices are heard clearly no matter where we are in the room.
Another great use case for the Studio A2 audio solutions is a room like this one. This is a training room that is about 30 by 30 feet. It has a U-shaped table, and we have 8 table microphones daisy chained on top of the table.
Typically, in training rooms, you use table microphones for audio pickup that's closer to the speaker and for the convenience of the mute button within arm's reach.
So I'm seated center of the room, about 30 feet away from the front of the room.
I'm on the left side of the room, about 15 feet away.
And I am standing in the back of the room, not directly in front of the microphone, and even as I start to walk even further away from the microphone, I am still heard clearly.
As you can hear, no matter where you're seated, whether it is directly in front of the table microphone or even a few feet away from it, the audio is crystal clear and consistent in all directions of the room.